Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B2025 indicates a left power sliding door switch signal error in the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey. This code specifically points to issues with the power sliding door's left side switch. The power sliding door is crucial for convenience and ease of use, providing effortless access to the rear seating area. The left power sliding door switch is located on the left side of the vehicle, typically on the driver's side. When the switch does not work as intended, it can lead to operational failures of the door, causing inconvenience to the passengers. Understanding the components involved and their connections is key to troubleshooting this DTC effectively. The B2025 error code describes a left power sliding door switch signal error that can impede the operation of the power sliding doors. This switch is part of the power sliding door mechanism, which is responsible for signaling the control unit to open or close the left side door. When the signal is not received correctly, it results in this error code. The switch itself is typically found on the driver's side and connects to the body control module via wiring. An issue with the switch's functionality or connection may lead to improper door operation, which directly affects the ease of entering and exiting the vehicle. Several factors can lead to DTC B2025 being triggered in the Honda Odyssey. A faulty left power sliding door switch is a primary suspect. If the switch itself is not functioning correctly, it will not send the correct signals. Additionally, wiring issues could be the culprit, specifically short circuits or broken connections between the switch and the control unit. Lastly, a malfunctioning left power sliding door control unit may fail to interpret signals from the switch properly. Each of these causes should be evaluated during the diagnostic process to pinpoint the exact issue affecting the door's operation. When DTC B2025 is present, several symptoms may manifest. The most common symptom is the left power sliding door failing to respond to commands from the switch, meaning it may not open or close at all. Additionally, the vehicle's diagnostic system may display the B2025 code, indicating there's a problem specifically with the left side switch. In some cases, the door may seem to be stuck in a position, further complicating entry and exit from the vehicle. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for timely repair and maintenance of the power sliding door features. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B2025 involves clearing the diagnostic trouble codes using the HDS or Honda Diagnostic System. This system is essential for reading and diagnosing vehicle faults. After clearing the codes, it's imperative to turn the ignition switch to the lock position and then back to the on position. This action allows the vehicle systems to reset and provides an opportunity to check for any reappearing error codes. If DTC B2025 is indicated again, further investigation is warranted. This initial step creates a clean slate for accurate diagnosis. Next, the power sliding door main switch should be activated by turning it on. This step is crucial as it enables communication between the switch and the vehicle's control systems. After turning the switch on, utilizing the HDS again to check for DTCs is necessary to determine if B2025 is indicated. If the code reappears, this indicates an ongoing issue that requires more investigation. If no code is shown, it's likely an intermittent issue, which often points to a temporary fault or connection issue. This step helps clarify the state of the system. In this step, you'll need to press and hold the open side of the left power sliding door switch for a minimum of 5 seconds. This manual activation helps test the switch's functionality and its response being sent to the control unit. After this duration, check the HDS again for DTCs. If B2025 is still indicated, it's clear that the problem persists and warrants further diagnostic steps. On the other hand, if the code does not show up, it suggests that the system may be functioning intermittently, potentially pointing to poor connections that need inspection. If DTC B2025 continues to appear, it's essential to check for physical issues with connections. This involves inspecting the wiring between the power sliding door switch and the control unit. Loose connections or poor wiring can lead to intermittent faults, spawning the B2025 code. Ensure that the condition of the switch itself is intact. Any visible damage can affect performance. If the connections are secure and the switch appears functional, additional testing will be necessary to determine the integrity of the control unit and associated wiring. After confirming persistent DTC B2025, the next step involves turning the ignition switch to the lock position to safely disconnect components. Disconnecting the left power sliding door control unit connectors A and B becomes the focus. These connectors are crucial for the operation of the door and for communication with other vehicle systems. By removing them, the technician can work on the components without the influence of current flow. This step is preparatory for further diagnostics on the wiring and switch functionality. In this step, the power sliding door switch must be removed, exposing its 12P connector for testing. Checking continuity is essential to ensure that signals can properly travel through the wiring. Using a multimeter, test the continuity between terminal number 8 of the 12P connector and body ground. If continuity is present, it indicates that there may be a short to ground in the wire, which would require immediate repair. If there's no continuity, then move on to further tests to isolate the issue within the connector or wiring. Next, conduct a continuity check between terminal number 7 of the 12P connector and body ground. This step serves to confirm the integrity of the wiring associated with the power sliding door switch. If continuity is confirmed, the potential underlying issue could be within the switch itself or connected components. Conversely, if continuity is absent, this suggests a break or malfunction in the wiring that needs attention. Proper diagnosis at this point can significantly influence the success of repairs. Once all necessary repairs or replacements are completed, the final task involves reassembling the components and ensuring all connections are secure. After putting everything back together, physically testing the power sliding door's operation is paramount. This ensures that the door responds properly to the switch inputs. Finally, run a diagnostic check with the HDS to confirm that DTC B2025 is cleared from the system. Proper verification guarantees that the repair was effective and that the power sliding door is functioning as intended. To avoid future occurrences of DTC B2025, regular preventative maintenance on the power sliding door system is highly advisable. This includes routinely inspecting the left power sliding door switch to ensure it is free of damage. Checking the condition of wiring is also critical. Look for wear, fraying, or other signs that may indicate a looming failure. Cleaning electrical contacts and connectors can enhance the reliability of the connections, helping to provide steady operations. Simple preventive measures can save time and costs associated with repairs in the long run. In summary, the troubleshooting of DTC B2025 for the 2011 to 2017 Honda Odyssey requires a systematic approach. Identifying problems with the left power sliding door switch involves understanding its role within the door mechanism. A thorough diagnostic process is essential for ensuring accuracy in pinpointing the issues causing the error code. Performing each step diligently leads to successful repair outcomes, restoring functionality to the power sliding door. Additionally, maintaining regular checks can be beneficial in preventing future complications, ensuring a smooth operation of the vehicle's sliding doors. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.